Hi guys, welcome back to JVelop channel. On our last video, we pointed our domain to our hosting provider, and right now I'm going to show you on how to install WordPress to our domain in seconds. So to start, temporarily we just created an indexed file for our domain so that we can check if the domain is already pointed to our server. And right now what we need to do is to go to our CPanel account. Every CPanel account has its own software installer, so you can use Installatron, software installer, or any software installer available on your CPanel account. If none, then you can install WordPress in another way. But for this video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress using the Installatron application installer. So on our cPanel account, to easily access the software installer, just type in INS or WordPress or software installer, so any keyword that you like, and then under the software section, click the Installatron applications installer. On here, we need to go to our application browser, and then we will select WordPress for our domain. Click WordPress and then click install this application button. On this window, on the location tab, make sure to select the correct domain. So for this video, we need to install our WordPress to the mototugs.com domain. If you have an SSL already, you can select the HTTPS, or if you don't, you can just select HTTP or HTTP www. It depends upon your requirements. So on this video, I need to select http mototugs.com and then the directory. In order for us to install the WordPress application to the root directory of our domain, make sure to remove the directory name under the directory input field. If you want to install the WordPress on its subdirectory, then you can include the folder name here. So we will empty that one and then leave the version as it is, the language, the accept the license agreement settings, automatic updates, and so on and so forth. Next thing that we need to do is to create our administrator username. This is the username that we are going to use in order to log into our admin dashboard. So for this video, I'm going to use the general and then your password. Email. So we will use admin 2020 for now. Or you can simply generate your password like this so that it shows a very strong password. It's hard to hack, and I recommend that as well. Admin email, so we can change this to your website title, and the tagline, leave the two-factor authentication as it is, delimit login attempts, enable multi-site. So it's up to you if you need to enable or disable this one. And then everything is set, and click the install button. There's a message showing because on our root directory recently we created an index HTML or a PHP file to it. That's why it shows that the directory is not empty. So to overwrite that one, just click OK. So currently the application is in the installation process, so just wait for it, and that should do it. Right now the WordPress installation is completed, so we can visit our site. So we'll refresh this one, and here you go, your first WordPress website was installed in just a couple of seconds. That's it guys for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you need any assistance, comments, or any recommendations, just comment below. If you're new to this channel, click the like and subscribe to this channel as well so that you will be updated for my future videos. Click the notification bell so that you will be notified if new videos is coming up or available on my channel. Thank you so much. See you next time.